Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Welcome to this presentation on the end-to-end journey of email in a contact center. In today's digital-first world, customer interactions over email demand more than just reading and replying. They require a structured, traceable, and intelligent process to ensure speed, accuracy, and customer satisfaction. From the moment a customer sends an email to how it is captured, categorized, routed, and assigned, through the agent's response, follow-ups, and quality checks, every step plays a critical role in delivering seamless, professional, and measurable customer support. In this session, we will walk you through the entire email journey inside a modern contact center, highlighting the systems, workflows, and analytics that transform email handling from a manual task into a strategic customer experience channel. Our journey begins with the most crucial step, the customer sending an email to the company's support or service address, such as support@company.com. This simple action could be driven by a variety of needs: a question about a product, a request for billing information, feedback about a recent experience, or even a formal complaint seeking quick resolution. What makes this step so important is that it sets the tone for the entire customer experience. At this point, the customer expects acknowledgement, timely handling, and, most importantly, clarity and professionalism in the response. Every email entering the system represents a unique customer journey, one that the contact center must handle with speed, accuracy, and empathy to maintain trust and satisfaction. The next step in the journey is email reception and system capture. Once the customer sends an email, it first reaches the company's email server or ticketing system. But instead of sitting idle in a simple inbox, modern contact centers ensure it is automatically logged into the contact center platform or CRM system for structured handling. At this stage, the system captures critical metadata, such as the time received, customer ID, subject line, and priority tags like urgent or VIP. This automation ensures that no email slips through the cracks and every request is instantly visible to the right systems for faster and more organized handling. Once the email is captured in the system, the next step is email categorization and routing, the stage where intelligence meets efficiency. Here, the system, often with the help of AI and natural language processing, analyzes the email's subject, keywords, and context to classify it by topic. Whether it's billing, technical support, order status, or general inquiries, each email is tagged and prioritized automatically. Based on predefined rules or AI-driven routing logic, the email is then sent directly to the right department or agent queue. For example, a billing-related email bypasses general queues entirely and is delivered straight to the billing support queue, ensuring faster resolution and reduced wait times. Once categorized and routed, emails enter a queue, waiting for the next available agent to respond. But not all emails are handled equally. Queue management and prioritization ensure that the most critical requests get attention first. Priority is often determined by key factors such as SLA commitments, for example, ensuring responses within 24 hours. Customer status, giving VIP customers or high-value accounts priority placement. And urgency levels, like cases flagged as account locked or service outage, which are automatically marked for immediate handling. This intelligent prioritization ensures timely responses, better resource utilization, and consistent customer experiences across all interactions. The next step in the journey is agent assignment, where technology meets the human touch. Once the email reaches the right queue, it is assigned to an available agent through the contact center platform. Here, a screen pop instantly displays customer details from the CRM, including previous interactions, purchase history, and even sentiment analysis from past emails. This complete view of the customer's journey ensures the agent has the full context before drafting a reply, allowing for personalized, informed, and efficient communication right from the start. Now comes the critical step. Agent drafts and sends the reply. The agent begins by carefully reading and understanding the customer's email to grasp the query, tone, and urgency. For routine questions, such as order tracking or billing details, the agent may use predefined templates to ensure speed, accuracy, and consistency in responses. But for complex issues or sensitive concerns, the agent drafts a personalized reply, often collaborating with other departments like technical support or billing to provide a complete and accurate resolution. This approach ensures that every customer receives a response that is not just timely, but also relevant, helpful, and human. Once the reply is ready, the next step is response delivery, ensuring the customer receives clear and timely communication. The agent's reply is sent directly to the customer, closing the loop on their initial query. In many systems, an auto-acknowledgement email is also triggered, reassuring the customer with messages like, "We've received your request," and an agent will respond within 24 hours. This step provides transparency and confidence, letting customers know their concerns are being handled promptly and professionally. After sending the reply, the agent moves to after-email work, often referred to as AEW, a critical step for record-keeping and follow-ups. Here, the agent may tag the email with resolution codes for reporting and analytics, ensuring the interaction is properly categorized. Next, the CRM is updated with detailed notes, capturing the context, actions taken, and any customer preferences uncovered during the exchange. Finally, the agent either marks the case as resolved or keeps it open for follow-up if additional steps or approvals are needed. This ensures accuracy, continuity, and full visibility for future interactions and quality monitoring. Next comes customer follow-up or multi-touch handling, ensuring continuity in conversations. If the customer isn't fully satisfied or has additional questions, they may reply to the same email thread. Here's where the contact center system adds real value. The entire conversation history stays linked together. Agents can instantly see all previous interactions, resolutions, and customer notes before crafting the next response. This means the customer doesn't have to repeat information, and every agent involved has the full context, ensuring consistency, accuracy, and a seamless customer experience across multiple touches. And finally, we reach the quality and analytics stage, the point where performance is measured and improvements are driven. Supervisors monitor key metrics such as response time, resolution time, tone, and accuracy of every agent email. Advanced AI tools often scan emails for sentiment analysis, compliance checks, and quality assurance, ensuring standards are consistently met. The insights gathered here are then used for agent training, SLA tracking, and continuous process improvement, creating a cycle of quality enhancement and better customer experiences with every interaction. Let's summarize the end-to-end journey of email support in simple terms. It all begins when the customer sends an email to the company. In the middle, the system captures, categorizes, and routes the email, while agents respond using context, templates, or personalized replies as needed. Finally, the customer receives the response, the CRM is updated, and analytics are tracked for quality and performance. This structured journey ensures email support is organized, measurable, and customer-focused, a far cry from simply replying to emails in a normal inbox. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.